Guess what today is slam the slime. Slime. You wanna check out Galaxy Cupcakes? See? Galaxy Cupcake. So smooth. Galaxy Cupcake is super galaxy-ish. This is called Galaxy Cupcake. It's very, very smooth, and this is not crunchy or anything. It's just normal slime, and the box, it came with a box that had little tiny things you could put in the slime, like confetti or something. So yeah, this is the slime. This is confetti slime. Put this confetti slime back, and I already have confetti on me. Time for rainbow cupcake. See, you can see it's smooth. Not anymore. And it has foamy little rainbow balls. That's why I call it unicorn cupcake, because the foamy things are like you know, some of the delicious sprinkles, and the pink is related to hot. This is hot pink with glitter, it's like to with the unicorns. They're really foamy, and it feels like little tiny beads are in there. Beads. See? So unicorn cupcake. Time to put it away. And now we're gonna end with the big ones. First is this one. I call this one robot cupcake, because it has little beads in it, like this one, and it's silver, and you know how robots are silver. See, I should have got food coloring, like yellow food coloring, and put it on it so it could be gold. That would be cool, but it's silver, and it's really, really, really stretchy. It's really, really stretchy, and yeah, it has the same foamy beads from that. Okay, now let's put it back. And last but not least, this is mermaid pearl. I call this mermaid pearl. Smooth. This is mermaid pearl slime. See? And the reason why I called it mermaid pearl is because it's blue, and mermaids like to go in the sea, and it has like little diamond-ish colors like this. And mermaids are like to go to the sea in blue, and this is not completely blue, it's a little bit green. So I don't know what that color is called, but yeah, that's what it is. And the slime, I bought it in Ross. Well, my mom bought it, and Roz, and well, my young sister, she's 6 years old, and she got slime because she wants to copy me and things. She enjoys copying me, and yeah. Like the video, subscribe, things, blah, blah, blah.